Greetings to one and all on this occasion of the International Day of Education. And never before has education needed all the best wishes than currently. The pandemic that hit us in 2020 or rather 2019 has turned everything outside to inside. Change your words intentional. But a point to note is that we are also 20 years into the 21st century, the century when a lot of things needed to be changed and adapted. We talk today of revitalizing and reviving education, but we have been talking about something like this in different words ever since the turn of the 21st century. And those were the skills that were needed then, and the same skills are needed now. But today, sitting here and thinking of all the things that we need to revitalize and revive our education system, I am also looking at the 22nd century skills. We are still trying to walk our way around the 21st skills, but we should not forget the 22nd skills too. The National Education Policy has given a face to a lot of the skills that we need today. But I feel we are still not giving a look to the other skills which we need. And I do hear a lot of startup companies which are coming up with brilliant ideas, because we, the educationists, have not looked into those aspects at all. And I find it very troubling to see all the parents are succumbing to the commercial advertisements being put about coaching turned into thinking and also coding. And I know from my experience that in our schools we've also been teaching robotic and technology, all trying to work into the AI. But I feel that at school we need to concentrate on the basic skills which are needed for the children to be able to cope with these things only when they are of the right age. Do we have to start with coding and robotics right at the primary level? I don't think so. But yes, we do need to revamp and restyle our style of teaching as well as our evaluation. So while we are reviving and revitalizing the education for the future, I think we should take these considerations into mind. And the pandemic has also changed a lot of things inside the classroom. For a start, the teacher is now, poor thing, inside that box. She's put into the screen, into the monitor screen. And who is at hand with the students? The parents. And the parents too are busy with their own professional obligations and deadlines. So what are the children who are actually being conscientious? They have actually turned into active learners. Yes, we still have the passive learning style going on. We still have the passive teaching style going on. But I know a lot of things have changed a lot, and a lot of active learning has also gone on. One thing that gives me real cheer is that we did not train our kids, but we all have done problem solving and risk taking. There were so many children of ours who had no connectivity or maybe had no devices, and some who had neither connectivity nor devices, but they found solutions. And this is what we need education to teach us. And at the school level, we need to concentrate more on skills. Children need to know how to work inside the house. They need to know their cooking skills. I wish we would have home science back again in the mainstream like it used to be in my childhood days. And I also feel a lot of home practical life skills should be included. People don't know how to hammer a nail in the wall. They don't know how to clean their pipes. They are been struggling with all these issues because they are not getting the outside help which we are so used to. We need to know how to assemble our furniture. There are so many foreign brands which give us that DIY, do it yourself, but we Indians are the worst at it. So I feel we should also look at not only reviving the schools with the normal classrooms and limited attendance, we should also revive some of our work at hand kind of labs. Why don't we teach some tailoring in the schools also? Why don't we teach electronic repair of gadgets to maintain the computer labs that we have? Why don't we teach some carpentry so that we learn about the friction and things like that, hands on, how to create things? We need to introduce a curriculum where we have how things work. I hope with these little pointers some things can change. All the best to everybody, and thank you very much, and may you have a fruitful International Day of the Education which goes into a year of education. Thank you.